Hello everyone! Today I'll be making a magic wand pen. You can write beautifully with this sparkling pen. Let's get started! For supplies and tools we need colored paper, scissors, double-sided sticky tape, glue stick, sticky tape, thin ballpoint pen, paper straw, string, masking tape, jewelry stickers. Step 1. Start with a lovely square paper. Step 2. Fold it in half and cut it with scissors. Step 3. Fold about 1 centimeter of the paper up from the bottom. You can fold the paper in half 4 times to get the perfect width guideline. Step 4. Flip the paper over and fold about 1 centimeter of the paper again. Make sure that the edges line up at the bottom. Step 5. Now we simply repeat the last 2 steps over and over until there is no more paper to fold. Step 6. Repeat from step 2 to step 5 with another piece of paper. Step 7. Now, join all the pieces together with a glue stick. Step 8. Tape around at the bottom of it to hold it together using the sticky tape. Step 9. To make the long wand, attach the fan part to a thick straw with a sticky tape. Step 10. Grab a new piece of paper and wrap it around the body of the wand with a glue stick and double-sided sticky tape. Step 11. Next, to make the sliding part of the wand, grab a new piece of paper and fold about 2/3 of the paper and cut it with scissors. Wrap it around the body of the wand with a double-sided sticky tape and glue stick. Slide it up and down to make sure it works. Step 12. Grab a short piece of string and attach it to the last folding parts of the fan on each side. Stick it together with a double-sided sticky tape. Step 13. Now, bring down the sliding part and grab the string attached to the fan. Pull the string to meet the sliding part of the wand and using the sticky tape, attach it together. Step 14. Using the leftover piece of paper from step 11, wrap on top of the sliding part to hide the attached strings. Step 15. Grab a thin pen that fits inside the straw. Wrap the whole pen with the double-sided sticky tape. Step 16. Insert the pen into the straw and make sure you press it around to secure it in place. Step 17. Wrap the rest of the straw pot with a colorful masking tape. Step 18. Now it's the fun part. Start decorating your wand with glittering jewelry stickers.